Hi everyone, in this video we will see customize. In every element we have three panels like primary, effects and customize. In this video we'll see what we have in customize. Customize, we can set up an ID. Here we set up the ID of the element with the class and element class. That means, element CSS. That means we can directly add CSS to the element as well, or we can add class and ID and use uh, global CSS area to customize those things. Then we have the breakpoints hidden, like which viewport you want to hide the element. Then the condition. This is a very strong area. You have a lot of conditions like users, not showing, custom data. These we will also dig in this condition part in later video. Then we have custom attributes. If you have any custom attribute to add this to the specific element, then we can add attributes to it as well. Then looper, provider, consumer. These are very these three things like conditions, looper provider, consumer are very important regarding data structure, hiding, complex functional layout is very important. We will see these things in later video, but the ID class and element class, these sections, this looper provider, consumer. So customized part is our daily need in developing a website in Cornerstone. Thank you.